back with another banger. You feel me? You already know it's Turbo Guy, bro. We got a CA on the side of the shot getting the boost. Yeah, I think he gonna put some smoke on me. He gonna put some smoke on the grill. Ooh, I wanna do it so bad, bro. Get it to him, y'all. I'm already late for work. Yeah. That's what I want you to do. That's what I want you to do. I'm getting to him. Do it to him, y'all. Turbo Guy game, man. Should I do it? Hey, should I do it to him? Turbo gang, should I do it? Hey. I'm finna mess over that boy. He look at them logs be already. He trying to turn off. He don't want the smoke, y'all. He don't want this smoke. That bitch sound good though. Ooh, I bet that bitch fast. Gotta make that a short, y'all. Damn, it was gonna be a good one.